welcome to another episode of Amanda's Kitchen. Thank you so much for joining us today, and I want to give a special shout out to my production team. I am Remnant JA. Owner and co-founder is Jace Mary. You can check them out. Follow them on Instagram and on Facebook. I'd also like to shout out some of my new followers on Instagram. Falwal, Daniel Grant 262 _shorts, Apostle Carnegie, big up yourself, Shireen Antonetter, I don't know if I got that right, Amoy Akwesi, and Amoy _this Amoy, and I am K Keisha. Thank you so much for your support, guys, and remember to like and follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Amanda's Kitchen, and subscribe, like and share on YouTube. Today we'll be doing you got it right, carrot cake. So we already have our oven on, preheating 250 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna go and get started. I have my mixer here with my whisk attachment, and I'm gonna add 3 eggs. 3 eggs, and I'm gonna go ahead and whisk that for a few till the eggs are broken up. And then I'm gonna add my sugar, and that's 1 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Or white sugar, go. Brown sugar. Yeah, brown sugar. Yeah. So eggs are mixed, the yolks are, and the whites are combined. And I'm just gonna go ahead and add my sugar slowly. Slowly. And I'm gonna mix that until everything is combined and it's light and fluffy and airy, and you can just smell that. Smell that. Yeah. In the meantime, guys, right here I have a 1.5 cups of flour. I have 2 teaspoons cinnamon powder, 1/2 teaspoon of mixed spice. Yeah. What else do I have in here? I have a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, for bring up the flavor there. Yeah. I have 2 teaspoons baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. So while that's mixing, I'm just gonna go ahead and mix all of this so that everything is combined. Let me tell you guys, only if you smell this like this smell good. Yeah, so get everything combined, and that's combined. And right here we have 8 ounces of shredded carrots. We have 1/3 cup of walnuts. You can use whatever nuts you want if you want to use nuts. And we have 1/4 cup of raisins, and I just sprinkle a little flour on it so that when the mixture is fully combined, they won't sink to the bottom of the tin. And I have 1.25 cups of oil that is going to be combined, and some vanilla. And let's get this carrot cake baking. Bacon. Yeah. Just gonna turn this up a little. Yeah. Of course, guys, you can do this by hand, but why do it by hand when you have a mixer? I'm not about that life. All right. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. See? Light and fluffy. fluffy. And that's what you want. That's what you want. Yeah. Alright, so I'm putting on back my whisk attachment. Turning on my mixer. And I'm gonna add my oil. You can add pineapples if you want to. It gives a nice, very nice flavor profile. Yep. Carrot and pineapple. Yeah. Add a lick. Alright, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of vanilla to that. You know, vanilla just, that's, you know that, yeah. Alright. Vanilla go and mix. Should I dare for smell this? Should I dare for smell this? Alright, so that's getting mixed. And I'm gonna go ahead and add my carrots. Be generous with the carrots, please. What is a carrot cake without enough carrots? I mean, you know what I mean? Alright, so now the carrot is in. The carrot is in. So now I'm gonna fold in my dry ingredients. So I'm gonna go ahead and detach this. Get this off. Yeah, because I'm using the whisk attachments, that's something, yeah, but look at patience. What's that? Let it patience. Alright, we're gonna do with that. Alright, so just mix up this real nice, real nice. And now I'm gonna go ahead and fold in my dry ingredients in 3 parts. So 1 part, and you fold, 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 fold. Please do not mix out this step. You see, if you're gonna mix, you're going to get a pudding and not a cake. You understand? You understand? Technique. Oh, by the way, these were sifted, okay? Yeah. Alright, so fold, fold, cut, and fold. Second, third. You fold again. Cut and cut, cut, fold. This is our last. Cut and fold, cut and fold, cut and fold. Yeah, guys. Cut and fold. You want to scrape down your bowl. And this is what your mixture should look like. See? seeing your carrots, you're seeing your cinnamon, seeing what the second fella. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and add my nuts. Just mix that in. Add my raisins. Remember the raisins were floured, lightly dusted, so that they don't sink at the bottom of the pan. I'm not using a baking tin per se, I'm using aluminum foil disposable containers today. And you can make this in your cake, you can use it to make your cupcake batches, you know, whatever you like. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour this in. I'm gonna need two containers, 3/4 of the way. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this in our oven, and we're gonna bake for 15 to 20 minutes. So at 15 minutes, you're gonna test with a toothpick in the middle of the cake. If it comes out dry, your cake is ready. All right, if not, you can let it stay in for about 3 to 5 minutes thereabouts. All right.
Magazine, highlighting Christian people, adventures, journeys, and elegance. What's your story?
You're locked in with Dexter Johnson, and this is Gospel Deets, and we are bringing the hottest deets to the streets. Gospel Deets, Gospel Deets, Gospel Deets, Gospel Deets, bringing the gospel to the streets, yeah. Bringing the gospel to the streets, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back. And guess what? The cake is finished and it's cooled. And I whipped up some cream cheese icing. It's pretty much about 1/2 pound of cream cheese and 1/4 cup of icing sugar. So I'm just gonna do a few dollops on this cake. Yeah. So I'm just using my piping bags. If you don't have a piping bag, that's fine. You can use a Ziploc bag. Listen, we Jamaicans, we take what Anton make fashion. Yeah, so just make things look good. Yeah. If you have sprinkles, you can put sprinkles or whatever you want on top. Yep. There you have it, guys. Carrot cake with cream cheese icing. Thank you so much for joining us today. And special thank you to our production team. I am Remnant JA. Thank you so much for the support. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Carrot cake, cream cheese icing. Thank you for joining, guys. And until next time, walk good and take care.